On Sunday, 3rd November 2024, Edo Governor Govt Obaseki led members of the State Executive Council, religious and political leaders, and other important people for one heartfelt Thanksgiving service to mark the end of his 8 years tenure as governor. The service shall for the newly renovated interdenominational Govt House Chapel for Benin City. The Thanksgiving not just serve as the time for reflection, but also to celebrate all the achievements winning government make for the past 8 years. Govt Obaseki talk say indeed grateful to God and to the people of Edo State for their continued support wey help the government. Ogbonge people wey join body with Oga Governor for the Thanksgiving service now, Edo First Lady Betsy Obaseki, Speaker Edo State House of Assembly Right Honorable Blessing Agbebako, Chief Judge of Edo State Justice Daniel Iyobusa Okungbowa, Dr. Aso Igodalo wey be the PDP candidate for the 2024 governorship election and im wife Ifeyinwa, as well as other big names wey include Comot Christian Association of Nigeria CAN Edo State Chapter Apostle Rekpeno Omoike, Catholic Archbishop of Benin Archbishop Augustine Akuboeze, Comot Pentecostal Fellowship of Nigeria PFM Edo State Chapter Pastor Mrs. Margaret Agbonifo, General Overseer Habitation Church of God and former Chairman Nigerian Labour Congress NLC Edo State Charter Reverend Oluwaderigbigbe, General Overseer Covenant Church of God Felix Omobude, among others. For his speech, Govt Obaseki expressed deep thanks to the people of Edo State for their continued support throughout his time as governor and talk about the different achievements of his government for sectors like education, healthcare, infrastructure, agriculture, and economic development. A constant talk say,
"We have come this far by God's grace and only God's grace and the support of every citizen of Edo. This chapel is a testament to that unity and shared faith. Although the horizon in the immediate may look hazy and cloudy, as Christians, we should know that God Almighty orders all things for our good in the long term. Therefore, we must continue to have faith and be hopeful. As my tenure comes to an end, I urge each and every one of us to carry forward this vision of a state rooted in faith, love, and respect for one another. Let this place serve as a daily reminder of the divine calling upon our lives and inspire us to serve our communities with passion, integrity, and unwavering commitment.
Catholic Archbishop of Benin Archbishop Augustine Akuboeze for his own part praised Govt Obaseki for the good work he do for Edo State, especially the way he developed the state. A constant talk say,
"The welfare of society depends on the proper exercise of authority. Finally, for Your Excellency, as your tenure is drawing to a close, I wish to use this opportunity to express our deepest gratitude for your exemplary service to our beloved state. Your tireless efforts have yielded transformative progress, improving the lives of countless citizens. Your visionary and digitalized leadership has earned you a special place in the hearts of Edo people. I commend your unwavering commitment to good governance, infrastructural development, and social welfare initiatives. Your legacy will undoubtedly inspire future generations."
The event also see the dedication of the newly renovated chapel, where now stand as the physical symbol of the governor's commitment to faith, unity, and service to the people of Edo State. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesoli, TMC TV News.